Ever pondered the secret to glowing skin? The answer could be simpler than you think. It's all about what you eat. Today, we're diving into the top 5 superfoods that can help you attain that radiant complexion you've always dreamed of. First on our menu is spinach. This leafy green isn't just for Popeye. It's packed full of antioxidants that fight against aging and promote overall skin health. By incorporating spinach into your diet, you're giving your skin a fighting chance against the daily wear and tear it faces. Next up, we have the humble blueberry. These little berries are a powerhouse of vitamin C, which is a key player in collagen production. Collagen is what keeps our skin firm and youthful, so by eating blueberries, you're helping to reduce the signs of aging. Third on our list is the almond. These nuts might be small, but they're mighty when it comes to skin benefits. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, which is known to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. So, munch on some almonds and give your skin its own little sun shield. Fourth in line, we have sweet potatoes. Not only are they delicious, but they are also high in beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. This acts as a natural sunblock, helping to prevent sunburn, dry skin, and even wrinkles. Finally, we round off our list with flax seeds. These tiny seeds are full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for keeping your skin hydrated and smooth. Sprinkle some flax seeds on your cereal or in your smoothie, and your skin will thank you. In summary, glowing skin could be just a meal away. Spinach, blueberries, almonds, sweet potatoes, and flax seeds. These superfoods are your ticket to a radiant complexion. Remember, true beauty starts from within, and that includes what you feed your body. So embark on this journey of nourishing your skin from the inside out. Until our next rendezvous, stay radiant and keep glowing.